So the grind don't stop, according to CICELY. ATC on top, according to CICELY. Gotta drop some drops, according to CICELY. If they like that shit, subscribe, do that for CICELY. So the grind don't stop, according to CICELY.
What's up, ATC gang? Welcome back to another video. It's time for this to come down, y'all. So let's get to it. So I was letting my son unbox this new chandelier, y'all. I absolutely love it. So while I'm taking the paper off, for all that are new to my channel, let me stop and introduce myself. Hello, my name is Cicely. I'm a disabled mother of 2 young boys. I have sickle cell anemia, and I feel it's important to just show the world if I can make it through hospitalizations and everything else that comes with life, you can make it too. We can do it together. Go ahead and subscribe and join your girl's family. We'd love to have you. So the first thing we're going to do is just move the table and chairs out of the way, because obviously I have to get up to this existing light fixture. If y'all want to change any space in your home, you know, upgrade your home, whether you're a renter or owner, the first thing you could do is remove these old light fixtures. All right. Step 2, after you get everything out the way, cut the power, guys. I cut the power not only to the room, but the entire house, just to be sure, because this is not my home. I don't know what I'm going to find when I take this plate off. You just need a screwdriver, you know, to take the old screws down. It's nothing, you know, too difficult. Once you take that down, you'll be good to go to the next step. My boyfriend had to come in and see what I was doing. So this right here is the mounting bracket, and this is the new light fixture. So I'm just showing you the 2 screws. You unscrew those 2 screws, and that's what you need to hold up the new light fixture. So I'm just going to take my time and remove it. Now, once you have it removed, you're going to turn it upside down, like how you saw me holding it, and begin to place it on the ceiling. Right now, my boyfriend is removing the bracket from the existing chandelier because it was just old. And you see I'm using like a little ring light from my phone. Y'all, it started to get dark outside, but I was like, no, I'm getting this light fixture up. So now that that's removed, if you can tell, the longer parts of the bracket, there are no holes. So you want to get a drill and drill holes through the bracket, through the ceiling, to make sure everything is mounted. You connect the black wire to the black wire, the white wire to the white wire, and make sure, if you don't do nothing, you connect that grounding wire. Y'all, I'm not going to show an in-depth process, but if you have questions, I can show you pictures or whatever. So right now, I'm just, you know, hanging the chandelier and adjusting it how I would like. Guys, if you want a subscriber shout out, go ahead and leave your girl a comment and you will be shout out in the next video. My little baby was just trying to be so involved, y'all. So with this chandelier, it can be adjusted, you know, to different heights. You can have one ring below the bottom. You can have them both like interlocking. It's a DIY chandelier, so we were just taking our time to adjust it to the way I want it to hang when you come into the dining room. This is a close-up of what I was explaining earlier about connecting the white to the white, black to the black, and the grounding. The grounding wire, the gold wire you see, is also what you wrap around the screw, and it'll hold the weight of the chandelier to give you time to connect the white to the white, the black to the black, and make sure you put the little red caps on. If you don't have caps, use electrical tape. I hope this was helpful, guys. Remember, you can do it. All right, y'all. I know the previous clips were super dark, but as you can see, it was worth it. The new light is up. So I just gotta peel off there's like a liner under here to keep the silver, the chrome part protected. So I need to peel that off. Okay. So this thing is nice, worth every penny and then some. So now that we have the light, I think what I want to do now is go ahead and paint the walls.
Vlogs and more, yeah, yeah. Home decor, vlogs and more, yeah, yeah. Home decor, vlogs and more, yeah, yeah. Home decor, vlogs and more, yeah, yeah.
According to CICELY.